I'm Lesley Logan, and we're here at my studio in Los Angeles, and we're going to talk about the push-ups, which are probably people's least favorite thing to talk about or do. You're not alone. I sometimes go, I'm done now. As soon as I roll up from control balance, I'm like, oh, time's up, gotta go. But the push-ups are so good, right? There are just a lot of good things about them. I have renamed them elbow bends in my own mind because that just sounds nicer. It's like easier to bend your elbow than it is to do a push-up. I don't know. You can steal it if it works for you. But it's really key. So there's a lot of different variations of the push-ups you can do. There's single leg, there's clapping you can do, right? There's a lot you could do. But you can also just do the push-ups. And if you want to think about anything other than the push-ups, know that the transition in and out of the push-ups is way more key than the actual push-ups themselves. So you are standing on the edge of your mat, and you come up and you do basically a roll up to go down. So the arms go up, and you're going to do a nice roll up to go down. So I'm lifting my stomach up like my crab. I'm trying not to lock my knees or lean backwards. Right, I gotta keep my body weight forward. It'll feel like I'm gonna fall. That's how I know I'm in the right spot. Now, your instinct is gonna be to look out, but keep your head up and keep it up as you walk out in 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I did it in 3. Can you do it in 3? No, you only get 4. So then to go back in, you get 4 counts. I lift my stomach up so much that my hand goes back, and then my other hand goes back. 3, 4, right? That's what you want. You don't want to sway side to side like this, right? You want to be in your center. So you're gonna lift up. You're gonna roll yourself up. Keep your stomach up and your weight in your feet. Go out in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your head is there. Then you do 1, or you can do 3 if you want to. And you lift your stomach up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You come up. You circle around. Now we're going to go for 2 push-ups. So you lift your center up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. Then lift your stomach up. Pull yourself back in. And then lift all the way up, and you do 3, right? 1, 2, 3. I tend to try to go a little forward as I do my elbow bend. That gives me a little more space. My shoulders like it a little bit more. Lift your center up, and bring yourself back. Woo! So if you want to challenge those, do 3 right from the get-go. Do 1 leg, where you take 1 leg out and you go down and you come up with 1 leg off of the ground. It's not the easiest thing. You can clap. You push up, clap, and land. You can push up, jump your feet, and clap and land. You can do both at the same time. The push-up world is your oyster. But it is really important to seal off the mat work with something as strong as those, because you know what? They are the key to the great, strong, connected center, and they work the entire body, seal off, nothing is asymmetrical, and in standing, you can walk right out the door. You did your Pilates practice. Congratulations. If you would like to enjoy more of these exercises combined, then join me on onlinepilatesclasses.com. Not only do we have free tutorials on every Pilates exercise, but we have weekly mat classes. They're only $5. And we always end, well, don't always end, but I try to end with the push-ups as often as possible because I know I need someone to hold me accountable. So maybe I can be that person for you. I'm Lesley Logan. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.